Leaky gut syndrome, a condition where the small intestine's lining becomes damaged, allows undigested food particles, toxins, and bacteria to leak through the intestines and flood the bloodstream. This can lead to a host of health issues, including inflammation, food sensitivities, and autoimmune diseases. While various factors contribute to a leaky gut, diet plays a significant role. Here are 7 foods commonly associated with exacerbating this condition, and why you should consider avoiding them. 1. Gluten. Gluten, a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye, is a primary culprit in leaky gut syndrome. It can increase intestinal permeability by triggering the release of zonulin, a protein that regulates the tight junctions in the gut lining. For individuals with gluten sensitivity or celiac disease, this effect is even more pronounced, leading to significant digestive discomfort and systemic inflammation. 2. Refined sugar. Refined sugars, including high fructose corn syrup and table sugar, can disrupt the balance of gut microbiota. They promote the growth of harmful bacteria and yeast, such as Candida, which can compromise the integrity of the gut lining. Additionally, refined sugars contribute to chronic inflammation, further aggravating leaky gut symptoms. 3. Dairy products. For many, dairy products can be difficult to digest due to lactose intolerance or sensitivity to casein, a protein in milk. These intolerances can lead to inflammation and damage the gut lining. Pasteurized dairy, in particular, lacks the beneficial enzymes and probiotics found in raw dairy, making it more likely to contribute to gut issues. 4. Processed foods. Processed foods are typically high in additives, preservatives, and artificial ingredients that can harm the gut lining. Emulsifiers, for instance, are added to improve texture and shelf life but can disrupt the mucus layer protecting the intestinal lining, leading to increased permeability. Additionally, the lack of fiber and nutrients in processed foods can starve beneficial gut bacteria, exacerbating gut health problems. 5. Alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption can irritate and inflame the gut lining, increasing intestinal permeability. Alcohol also disrupts the balance of gut microbiota and impairs the body's ability to repair the gut lining. Even moderate alcohol intake can have negative effects on gut health, especially in individuals already prone to digestive issues. 6. Soy. While soy is often considered a health food, it can be problematic for gut health, particularly when consumed in its processed forms, such as soy protein isolate. Soy contains anti-nutrients like phytates and lectins, which can interfere with nutrient absorption and irritate the gut lining. Additionally, most soy products are genetically modified and heavily processed, further contributing to their potential harm. 7. Certain vegetables. Certain vegetables, particularly nightshades, such as tomatoes, potatoes, eggplants, and peppers, can cause problems for individuals with leaky gut. Nightshades contain alkaloids, which can irritate the gut lining and contribute to inflammation. While these vegetables are nutritious for many, those with a compromised gut may need to avoid them or consume them in moderation. Addressing leaky gut syndrome often requires a multifaceted approach, including dietary changes, stress management, and potential supplements to support gut health. By avoiding these 7 problematic foods: gluten, refined sugar, dairy, processed foods, alcohol, soy, and certain vegetables, you can take significant steps toward healing your gut and improving your overall health. Always consult with a healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you suspect you have a leaky gut syndrome or other related health issues.